Hi, we are going to see about US dollar versus INR futures. So, how it will be in the upcoming days, where will the price move, and what will happen. So, from the history, when we take from the 2000s, right now, the the value of the rupee has been rising against the dollars. So, right now it is currently at 71 rupees, and we'll see how it will further react in the upcoming days. So to see the further reaction, we use the Fibonacci extension tools. So first, let's see how much the price has retraced. See, in the year of 2019, the price has gone from 63 to 74.72. So when we use the Fibonacci retracement, we see how much of the price has been retested. The idea of Fibonacci is for every positive move, there will be a negative move. So it's like every positive reaction will not have an equal and opposite, but it will have a certain degree of opposite reaction as per the Fibonacci. So this is the positive reaction what we have seen. The price has gone up, and then it has come down to a 50% retracement, that is a 50% of correction. So why this happens is because the people who have bought at 63, they will start booking the profits at 74, so 74.69, and then once they book the profit, eventually it has to come down. So after coming down, it has given us an indication that it will further go up. So thereby, what are the indications we'll see? So the first thing is, we see a double bottom in the charts at this level. So if we find a double bottom, we keep a targets of, once this neckline has been broken, we exactly keep the same distance of the double bottom as a targets. So we are going to see how we're going to keep our targets in the double bottom. So this is for a near term price range. So in near term, the price should have been moved up to the target levels, which I'm going to keep right now, from here till here. So we are expecting the price to go up to 72 in the near term, and then what happens after that? So, and the other way to keep our targets is, this is for the long term, because we are analyzing in a weekly time frame, and for this to happen, it will definitely take months. So in this, we are going to use a Fibonacci extension to find our targets. So in this, we take from the swing low to swing high, and then the retracement. So every step of this is the targets for the upcoming days. So we see the target, the first target as 75, and the second target as 77, and the third target as 79. So USD INR will definitely go to the levels up to 79.76. So we, right now, we will see how to enter this trade. And so for this, we'll take the short term, as in I'm going to take the daily time frame right now. And from here, what I've seen is the price has gone from, say, 68 up to 72.6. So right now it has started to give a correction. So let's see how much the correction can go up to. So in a clear buy trend after the double bottom, I'll just show the double bottom here. The double bottom which we saw is the bottom one and the bottom second, and in this double bottom, the targets are to the same extension as above here. That is, this area is the target on top. So in the swing, in this positive move from here to here, we are expecting a small correction. So perfectly, the US dollar has touched this support, has touched the price of 71.62 as a support, and then it can move either down to 0.5, that is 70.51, because every positive move will have a small amount of negative move, the opposite move. So it can come up to 70.51, where we can enter, and then, as we seen as previous, the extension targets. As per the extension targets, we can keep our target levels, and thereby we know that USD versus INR will move to such targets. So right now it is going down. So how far it goes down is what we saw right now. I'll just show you again. So it can go down up to 70.51. Here we can enter 70.51 is our entry point, and to determine our targets we use the Fibonacci extension as our targets. So I'll draw you the targets for you again. Swing low to swing high, and then the extension. So if we enter at the exact 50% of our Fibonacci, so our entry point is supposed to be at 70.59. If we enter at 70.59, these are the target levels to be expected. 72 is the first target, and then 74, and then so on. It's not the first target. The eventual target will be 79.72 to 79.76. This will be the price action movement for US dollar versus Indian rupee in the upcoming future days as per technical analysis. See, the fundamental analysis can be anything. There can be news of recession, there can be strong of US dollar getting strengthened or weakened or anything. The gold price can go up. So these are the fundamental news. So the fundamental news can be anything, but the overall targets for us is the same, and this is how the price will move. Once the price moves, the news comes. So as we expect this to happen within around 2020, in the mid of 2020, somewhere around that we can expect 79, or any time. The time frame is monthly wise, so we can expect this target of 79 to reach within probably somewhere between 2020s. So thank you.